Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Rationalizing the Denominator Worksheet. So here we present a worksheet with 8 problems or 8 examples, and here we are asked to rationalize the denominator in each of the following fractions. If you're not sure how to proceed, we have a lesson on this very topic. So if you go to the last slide and you click on the link available there, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So if you know how to do these, I'll leave this slide on for a minute or so, and then you can pause it for as long as you like, of course. I'll then move on to the next slide, which contains all the answers, so you can check how you went. Okay, and here is the next slide. So this contains the answers, so you can see how you went. I'll leave it on for a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. You can pause this for as long as you like, obviously. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is.